take like this. 30 seconds. How does it feel to you?
Great. The trick will be going to the right.
Okay. So turn to the left.
What?
I'm joking.
No, let's try it this way because I think he has been fine. So
That's right.
we'll
I
see.
just want to know if you feel him the same as
I
usual.
think he feels great.
Okay.
He's come. I did some walking through the fields, and then I did some warm up, watched about canter, and I think he's coming with a really good frame of mind.
Very important. Yeah, very important. These older horses. First, it's important they are in the turnout, and second, that you take care that you walk before you ride. I know you do it. You can see that you take good care of him.
Yeah. We typically go through on a walk through the fields. That's our joy. And then we come in and do some work.
That's I mean, I do the same, honestly. I do the same. I'm in two barns. One has places to hack and the other has not. But it has a canter track, huge, that I know it takes 12 to 14 minutes to give a turn.
Nice.
Wow.
That's what I do.
Yeah.
I walk in the older horse if it's a youngster. But if I can, I make a turn and then I go to work. If I'm in a hurry, I do half of the track, which I can also do. But just to tell you that I feel the same. I do in the beginning and in the end. In the end, I ride my horse 25, 30 minutes. The rest it's walk. Okay. Check that your position and the size of the reins allow you to do this.
Are you actually moving your hand over shoulder?
The hand goes with the shoulder.
Oh, that's cool. I never thought of that.
The hand goes like this.
I didn't know that.
That's why it's so important that your left elbow doesn't change. If not, look, I do this. No, it's this.
That's a totally new thing for me.
Embrace your body with your arms.
Great.
Like you go on the street. You go this way. You don't go this way. If you go natural, then you turn, and then with your lower back, that makes the turn. Here or here. I have a nice image at my barn to show the students, a drawing, which really shows this. Exactly. And imagine that there was something here. Yeah. Imagine you hold this with your thumbs. He doesn't get afraid? He does? No, just this. Imagine that you're holding, and then the relaxed part is here. It's here where I want softness. And here too. You hold the reins here. That's why it's so important that the thumb and the pointer are together. The riders that do this, which I have many students, they ride like this. And then they hold the rein like this because there's no other chance. If you hold the reins here, then you can, and then you can, this joint must be flexible. That's going to be right. Think about that. Think on your elbows. Think, let me think, symmetrical, no? Yeah? Symmetrical, not symmetrical.
You got it.
Symmetrical. Think that your right side is like the left, which never is, but you have to. You see, now you have your left shoulder back. Maybe you have to short your left rein to be able to do this. It's good to practice in the walk, and sometimes it's even good to practice in the halt. The rider must control his body before controls the horse's body. like a ballet dancer knows exactly where is each part of his body, no?
Yeah.
The rider must do the same. It's not easy because the ballet dancer is not on an animal that moves.
Well, and once it becomes a muscle memory, it's not so challenging, but until that's there in place, it's a challenge.
Exactly. Why did you talk about muscle memory?
Why?
Yeah. Because my piano teacher talks about the same.
Well, that's something that
Just if you play any instrument.
oh, I don't play instruments.
Okay, good. Look at your horse. Look at your horse. Because I asked them how our professional player plays without looking to what's the name in English?
Keys. The keys.
The keys. It's muscle memory.
Uh-huh.
And you said that word and I
What
remember.
does he see?
There's something there.
Yeah, we've got some sort of creature.
There's a creature. Okay. When your position is fine, and these two, we go to trot to see how he goes this side. Careful that your left elbow doesn't go forward when you do the transition. It's in your wrists that you must be soft, Mary, okay? Remember this. Then your hands a little higher. Remember when I hold that stick in my hands?
Yeah.
I was not like this. I was here.
Okay.
This is also important, this angle here. When you want, you try the track. Make him look inside. Okay. And then you go to walk, and you try to bend him in the walk. Maybe shortening the right rein, and then use a little the right leg. Okay, until he gives you the flexion of the neck. Don't short the circle, if not, he's not giving the flexion.
Okay.
You know? He's cheating. When he gives in the walk, you go to the trot. Try to keep it. If you lose the band on the trot, we go to walk again. Until with practice, you can do it in the trot also. This band you have to be able to see the right eye of the horse. Doesn't matter. That's the canter position too. So if he makes a mistake, it's normal. Getting better. Getting better. Okay. Try to bend again. To me, it helps to hold the reins with how do you call pinky finger? This
Pinky
little-
finger. Yep.
Try to hold the reins with the pinky finger.
With the pinky finger?
Yeah, that's it. Now you have
Use
it's
your
a
whole
more
hand.
It's a more mobile finger.
Uh-huh.
So practice. You see? I ride my horses this way.
Really?
Yes. The other way is not wrong, but this one I think it's more useful to practice. Also, your wrist is more efficient this way. Because this finger, you can do better this. Better than the other one. Now it's time to start changing from left to right in the trot.
Changing the bend?
Changing the circle.
Oh, okay.
Short rein, short rein. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget that we pull more in a long rein than in a short rein.
What?
We pull more, we tend to pull more if the rein is long. And I don't want to pull. Bend to the left, Mary. Try to see the left eye. So we work on his body. Short left rein, shorter. And now forward. And now we must have a trot. So it gives the flexion to the left. It must be pushing forward from your left leg. Go more, a little more trot. And left. But you must ask him to belt. Just, yeah. Make the right rein shorter too.